Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something super fun, a real-life USA-style daily routine conversation.
Yep, a full, natural, friendly conversation that sounds exactly like two friends chatting in real life. So grab a snack, relax, and enjoy.
So Emma, how does your morning usually start? Mine starts with me hitting the snooze button like 3 times.
Only 3? That's cute! I hit it like 7 times! I wake up tired from sleeping!
Same. And then I check my phone immediately. Emails, messages, notifications, everything.
Yeah, my brain says, "Good morning," and my phone says, "You have 63 notifications."
After that, I jump out of bed, grab my coffee, and pretend I'm an organized human.
I can't even talk to anyone before coffee. If you talk to me before coffee, that's your fault.
Facts and breakfast.
2 kinds of people. People who eat breakfast, and me. I survive on vibes until lunch.
Do you work out in the morning?
Only mentally. I think about going to the gym. That counts.
I actually go, but only because my gym plays really good music.
The only workout I do in the morning is chasing my cat so I can close the door.
So when I drive to work, I always listen to the same playlist. Songs from 2010.
Your taste is stuck in high school.
Absolutely. You know what else is stuck? Traffic.
Ugh, traffic is like, "Hey, I heard you're late. Let me help."
Then at work, I try to look productive. I open 10 tabs, so it looks like I'm doing important things.
I reply to emails like, "Per my last email," which actually means, "Did you even read what I wrote?"
Corporate language is wild. Let's circle back means I don't want to deal with this right now.
And "Let's take this offline" means, "Please don't embarrass me in this meeting."
Lunch is the highlight of the day.
Same. I bring lunch from home, but then I buy food anyway.
Every time. Also, why does every office have that one coworker who microwaves fish?
That should be illegal. Arrest them immediately.
Around 3 p.m., my brain stops working.
Same. I just stare at my screen like it's going to answer the email for me.
I drink another coffee.
I drink motivation. And by motivation, I mean iced coffee.
After work, I like to go for a walk. Helps me reset.
I go home, lie on my bed, stare at the ceiling, and realize I still have chores.
Do you cook dinner? Then
Sometimes, but most nights I open the fridge like a TV show. Nothing new.
you order food.
Of course. DoorDash knows my address better than my friends.
At night, I watch YouTube or Netflix.
I tell myself I'll watch 1 episode. Suddenly, it's 3 a.m., and I'm emotionally attached to fictional characters.
Then I say, tomorrow I'll sleep early. And tomorrow, I don't.
And that's basically our daily routine, USA style. Fun, messy, and real.
If you enjoyed this 30-minute conversation, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your routine in the comments. See you in the next video.